not fit buy. Rice will not fit buy. Everything don't want to. Make we change. Let's have a better country for our children. So go out and vote for Mama, Papa, pikin. Nothing. So go out and church and vote Mama, Papa. Thank you and God bless you. What is the next one when they look for friends? They do. We want the better Edo. 21st. We know what is going to do. Go out and vote for Mama, Papa. Go out and support Olumide Akpata. Who is your government? We want to change this country. We want the people stop suffering. Then we will beg you now. Then we will take changing. So when you go out in September, make you look for awareness. Mama, Papa. Mama, Papa. Nigeria belongs. They don't get Nigeria. Can they now one bomb? Make killing me. Can they want to put this in the government? Why am I telling you? I got you soon. They wrote 21. They never have to vote. Who will do it now? I actually change the plan of Nigeria. And I can change it. We want to change it. We want to make it work. So when you go there, vote for Mama, Papa. Mama, Papa. Who is your guy? Who is your guy?
I go put hand for our back. Papa, Mama, pikin. With Olumide and Kadiri, Edo will be Mission Road. You are not going to leave me. You see that place when they bury person, so that is my papa. As you know, sir, Chief Johnson Ogunleye Akpata, Oba Wonyi of Benin, 1939 to 1946. Now they buried there, so as we talk, they look us. We are not going to leave me. How are you? Who's your guy? DJ drop on.